What are you going to have for breakfast? What are you going to have for breakfast?
Beans.
Beans? Beans. Indy, come hold Daddy's hand. We'll go down to the beach now, are we? You going to get some sand in your bucket? So where are we now, Indy?
Beach.
We're going to the beach?
Yeah.
Right, where's Mummy gone? Is she gone? Should we go find her? Let's go. Indy, can you see the sea? Where is it? Yeah, well done. Through that gate. What have you got, Indy? And a little snack halfway down. That is the beach down there. Where is it, Indy? Show me. Where's the beach? No, it's not. It's over there. Shall we go down to it now? Okay.
Indi,
We know it's your doggy.
they're allowed to.
Sorry, she's obsessed
That's
with
No.
alright.
That's what the ooh is. That's like her woofing.
Oh. So she calls it woof woof.
Is it Cock Spaniel?
Hey!
You're gonna swim?
So everyone's asleep, so I've decided to go and walk up to that point, but a bit of an adventure on my own. Even Ozzy's wiped out. So do this before dinner, then I'm sure Indi will want to go to the disco again later, show off those dance moves she loves showing off. So yeah, join me at the top. Right, I think I found where I need to go. Up that track there. We went down there, which took us to Woolacombe. So I'm guessing that's the way up. So we're going to start the big hill climb now. So it's not warm, but it's not cold. It's a weird one. Wish that the British weather would make its mind up. Well, we just walked a little bit, and the view's incredible. Check this out. So far to go still. It's hard work. It's hard work. Can't even talk. You might even notice I broke my sunglasses as well. Only got one arm. I did it yesterday in the car and I only bought one pair. And I can't bother to buy any more because I like these ones. So for now they'll do. So I'm pretty much nearly there. Up here. I want to go there. A little bit further to go. So I'm just going to walk a bit further and see if I can get a view over the sea and over Woolacombe. A little bit back there was a bit mean, but it's alright. It's quite soft grass here. A lot of sheep around. I keep scaring them away, so I can't even video any. So you think I'm making it up? So that's all Woolacombe. Corner there will be Croyd, then Sorton on the sands, and then after that will be Westward Ho. I spent a lot of my surfing days there. I still love that place. I might have a bit of a day around the caravan park because there's quite a few things to do here. So if you're over in Woolacombe and you want somewhere cool to stay, Woolacombe Bay, they've got like 4 like caravan parks to stay at. One's a golf course, so you're into golf, let's go golf, do that. Or one we're staying at Titchin House, which is really close to the beach really. So as you said earlier, that's the beach there. And Woolacombe's down there, and there's a bus. We just took the bus back because we're lazy walking up the hill, which cost us £2 each, and Indi was free. And dogs are allowed. But everywhere around here is so dog friendly. Which is amazing because you don't get that really sort of where we live, and that people not too happy with dogs coming in their place.
Say night night world.
Night night world.